Alright, welcome to another lesson. Today we'll be working on D Major Pentatonic scale. In this lesson, I'll be showing you how to realize your pentatonic scale from the 7-note regular and major scale. So we have a D major scale to be D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, and repetition of D. So for us to realize a major pentatonic scale from that regular 7-note scale, this is what we do. We do away with the 4th degree and also the 7th degree. In this case, the 4th degree will be G. Then the 7th degree will be C sharp. So this is what we have. That is D major pentatonic scale. You may also want to stick around the scale by playing some kind of technical exercises, something like this. Alright, that's the size of the lesson for today. Take your time, practice the scale, then try some of these technical exercises. When you're done with these technical exercises, you also want to try some licks, some pentatonic licks, and also pentatonic melodic shapes, which I will cover that in some other series, which will be titled Working with Pentatonic Scale. Happy shading, have fun.